In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
In this demonstration, we're just going to have an overview of adhesives. There's a multitude of adhesives on the market, whether you're installing resilient floor coverings, timber-based floor coverings, carpets, carpet tiles, there's an adhesive for everything. As we can see here, I'm going to be sticking down an LVT. And with an LVT, we're looking at acrylic adhesives. So an acrylic adhesive won't actually affect the product itself. If you do use the wrong adhesive underneath an LVT, it can cause plasticized migration or discoloration of the floor. It can start to emulsify underneath, and it basically can result in failure. One of the key points with adhesives is, firstly, always read the data sheets, manufacturer's data sheets, and always use the correct tools for the application. On this side of the bay, I'm actually going to be applying a pressure sensitive adhesive. Most manufacturers also have a pressure sensitive. It's a very good adhesive. It's a dry set adhesive with a very good grab to it, but you've got to be very conscious of the area you're working in. It can be used with underfloor heating up to a maximum of 27 degrees, but with underfloor heating, I would personally recommend going with a HT adhesive. It's great for design work. It's got a very long open time, and it allows you to take your time when placing stuff back in. And you spread it the same way. Making sure there's no pooling. You get as close to the edge as you can possibly get. You're a little bit concerned about paintwork, skirting boards, or any objects you're going up against. You could put some masking tape across it. As this is a dry set adhesive, if I just left that now, then it gains a really good tack. But once I place the tile down, it's only going to get 50% contact. It's going to sit on top of the ridges. I need to flatten these ridges to allow the tile to get 100% contact with the adhesive itself. Just by taking a paint roller, obviously in a small area, small paint roller is fine. Bigger area, obviously use a bigger one. And I'll just pre-soak the roller in adhesive. If I don't pre-soak the roller, as I start rolling, I will remove adhesive from the floor. Once we roll it, what we want to do is allow this to dry. And it should dry to a clear appearance. That tells us when it's ready to get into it. You're not going to get any transfer with this adhesive because you're going into a dry adhesive. But as it's a pressure sensitive, it basically means it's going to have a tack for the life of the flooring. We can see now that the adhesive has fully dried off. It's gone to a clear consistency, but it's still got a lot of tack to it. If I just put a bit of pressure on this one, firstly you can see it's not shifted, but also it has got a high grab to it. Once you've placed it into the adhesive, we're not looking for transfer with this one, but we still need to roll it to make sure any air is pushed out from underneath the tiles. So again, the same rules apply. First roller, one way, and then the other.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.